Join us as we break down today's market news, including the Dow Jones hitting new highs, potential Fed rate cuts, and key insights into Nifty and Bank Nifty trends. We'll also highlight the top-performing auto stocks to watch this week. This Monday, the good news comes from Wall Street. 1. Dow Jones scale fresh record closing high at 42313 in Friday's trade. 2. The Fed's preferred inflation gauge (i.e. the US PCE inflation report) adds to case for another big Fed rate cut in November. 3. Investors now hope that the Federal Reserve will be successful in piloting the US economy to a soft landing. 4. The CME Group's FedWatch suggests the Fed's dovish signals and now indicates a 52.6% chance of another 50 basis point rate cut from the Fed's November meeting. Long story short, there is a bright chance that RBI follows US Fed rate cut in October MPC meeting. We say so because the domestic retail inflation rate at 3.65% in August, and most importantly, remains within the central bank's tolerance band of 2 to 6%. Global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1209 crores, while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 6887 crores. Sentiments shall waver. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating slight overbought technical conditions. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,500 to 27,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 11.96 levels. Nifty PCR, 31st October, is at 1.13 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th October, is at 1.01. Nifty outlook, Nifty is likely to consolidate. Nifty, CMP 26179. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 26,000 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 26,500 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 26050 and 26300. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 53834. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 53,000 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 54,467 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,300 and 54300. Bias for the day is neutral. It's going to be a truncated week ahead as our stock markets will remain closed on Wednesday, 2nd October on account of Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. This week, the biggest event to watch will be the US non-farm payrolls data to be wired on Friday, 4th October. One eye will also be on global crude oil prices, especially after last week's debacle. But now, with the death of Hezbollah leader Hassan Nasrallah in an Israeli airstrike, there is expectation of an uptick in the prices. The GST numbers and auto sales data for September shall trickle in on Tuesday, 1st October. Buzzing stocks. 1. Auto stocks were the biggest outperformers and on the top gear in the week gone by, with the Nifty Auto Index scaling a record high on reports that SEBI has approved Hyundai Motor India's Rs 25,000 crore initial public offering, IPO. Mandem stock price hit new high, was up 8% on weekly basis as its MCAP neared 4 trillion rupees, and most importantly has zoomed 100% in 10 months. 2. Maruti Suzuki India zoomed 7% at 13495, Tata Motors plus 2.28%, 993. Bajaj Auto was another notable gainer, up 6%.